A short demonstration on how to use Cline extension for Visual Studio Code to create a simple website. So this is Visual Studio Code, and I'm in a directory called my test. So I have a website directory which is empty. I have prompts where I will create a prompt to build the website. So please create a simple static website in subdirectory website. So in this subdirectory, the website will feature good stocks to buy. The website name will be pick your stocks. The website will be completely static, only HTML, CSS, a bit of JavaScript for navigation. The pages will be index.html homepage, about HTML, market trend, and best stocks. Please make simple navigation at the top. Please make navigation reactive, which is convert menu to hamburger menu for phones. Okay, please use a color theme using bright, mostly blue colors. Please use gradients like liquid looking theme. Please keep all style definitions in one file called styles CSS. Please fill the pages with some text that makes sense. I want the website to work from local server at port 3000, so please write a simple Python script server.py in current directory to start the server to serve the website from website directory. Okay, this is the prompt. I also have a directory called .cline rules where I put some rules. Like for example, this file says use encouragement, be optimistic, supportive, and so on. I like to feel good when I'm working with AI, so that's why I put together this file. Actually, AI wrote this. It's not me. I just tell it what kind of file I want. This is my rules on Python formatting. This is please put all styles into one file. Please update website project description. Yeah, for bigger projects, it's good to have a description file. Anyway, Cline, when it works, it uses this directory .cline rules. If you have several files, if not, it may be just one file called .cline rules. Anyway, so I have this prompt, and let me copy this prompt. And now, hold on a second, let me copy it. Copy. Now I click here on the right on the Cline extension, and here you see the model selected is Anthropic Claude Sonnet, right? This is my API key, so I have to get API key from Anthropic console website. Anyway, so here I put the prompt, and you see there's a plan and act. So now I'm in act, and I just press the button and I let it work. So let's see what's happening. Let me, oops. Okay, so it started doing the work. So right now it's creating index.html page. Let me probably pause the recording. And okay, it created the file, it ran the tests. So let me switch it and say the tests worked. And switch it to act again. Okay. Yep. So it's finishing now. It usually at the end of the task, it prints it green, that describing, like repeating, summarizing what it did. So here's what we have here. Now we have under the website, we have about HTML, best stocks HTML, index HTML, which is home, market trend page. So you see it wrote everything. It has scripts, JavaScript file for navigation. It has styles file with a lot of styles. And here it has a server.py, which is a small Python script which starts the server. So now if I go to this directory, actually it's probably easier to go here. Just a second, how I do it. Okay, I'm in directory my tests, so I have the Python script here. So I do Python server py, and it started. I press command and this link, and this is the website. So you see it has pages as requested, and you see the design. I asked for gradient kind of liquidy, and you can change, you can fine-tune the design, you can add pages. Here I make it narrow, it converts to hamburger menu, right? So it works. Yeah, so you see how easy it is to generate the website. So let me stop it, and so FD. So this is everything we have here. So we have one prompt which allowed me to create this website. We have all this HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a Python script to run it. Well, that's it. That was the demo. Now let me show you something. So okay, let me exit this and close this, and I switch to extensions, and I use the extension which is called Cline. So here it is, Cline. You see it has 2.5 million downloads. It's completely open source. It's very secure, it's very good, it's very popular, it's tested by millions of people, and that's why I selected it. And I use Claude model, Claude Sonnet, which is a very, very good model for coding. But on top of that, Cline has its own prompting, which makes it very, very effective. Cline knows better than I do what to do next. I mean, it's quite amazing. And oh, by the way, one of the things it did, it created this website project description, where it remember in Cline rules, I asked, one of the rules was to create this file. So it created this file and explanation of the project. That's it. Thank you very much.